How to use Qwarta Home Credit in Shopee. Now, the very first thing that we want to do is, of course, update the latest version so that we will not encounter any problems or crashes while doing this method. Now, second thing to do is to generate a specific reference number so that we can pay via the Qwarta Home Credit. To do so is to go ahead into the Me tab at the lower right portion of your screen and ensure that you're logged in into your Shopee account. Now go into Shopee Pay and go into Cash In. And here what you want to do is to choose between InstaPay or EasyPay or Payment Center / e-wallet, and then just simply input the specific amount where or how much you would like to pay and then hit on confirm. You will be generated with a reference number to use it on your home credit app. Simply go into payments and bills and type in the reference number and the amount of your payment. And that is how you use Qwarta Home Credit in Shopee.